You're welcome to part 3 of this tutorial on trouser making. Today we are going to learn how to fix trouser zipper. Remember that in part 1 I reviewed everything you need to know on how to cut a perfect trouser, and in part 2 we learned how to fix the front pocket and also fix the lining. This is VsmDesigns. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. If you're a returning fan, thank you for checking back. Now let's go straight to today's tutorial. At this point, you've already fixed your front pocket and your lining. Then you have to place them face to face this way and make sure both of them are equal. Then I measured 6.5 inches. You can make it up to 7 depending on the size of the person. Then I'm giving a notch of about 1/2 inch. This is the right hand side panel, while this is the left hand side panel. Then on the right hand side, you are going to place your zipper this way. Make sure that the stopper is just a bit below the notching, just a bit. Then you align it to be on the same line with the cloth itself. Remember that you are facing this zipper down. Then you are going to place the zip fly on top of it, facing it up. Then you are going to run thread here. You are running this thread up to the notching. You are ending it exactly where the notching ended. There should be no extra allowance. No extra allowance here. It is at the end of the notching I did the sewing. Then this is the left hand side of it. You are going to take this zip fly and place it here, then run thread. This one you are not going to run the thread up to the end of the notching. You are going to give allowance this way. Of course, there are 2 ways to fix a zipper, but you also achieve the same purpose. Then you are going to run thread on this zip fly, not on the main cloth. You can see this has allowance here. Let me even add to it. It should be at least 1/4 inch, because this is what is going to close the zipper. Whatever allowance you give here is the allowance that is going to hide the zipper from people seeing it, and you are going to bend it this way. you are going to smoothen it with your iron, and I've just done that. You can see the crease or the line is now visible. You are going to place this right hand side panel, then place the left hand side panel face to face. Then you are going to set this. You make sure that the allowance, this allowance here, the size of this allowance is the size of allowance you are also going to give here. They have to be equal. And also make sure that you align the top of the both front panels. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss out when I post the part 4 of this video. Then you gently raise it this way and run thread from the crease you formed just about half an inch above the notching. Then you run it up to this point. You are not going to close it entirely. You stitch. Then you check whether what you did is right or not. If it's not correct, you lose it and redo. No matter how professional you are, there are some times that you would make mistake. The only option you have is to lose and redo. This is good, so I'm going to run a double thread on it. Remember that it is very important for you to run double threads here. You can see. Then what you are going to do, you are going to turn it over. Let this side face you, because this is the point. Even if you've gotten the other stages right, this is the stage that will confirm what you've just done. If you get here wrong, your zipper will still be showing. This is what you are going to look out for. Look at this place and this place. Let me call them the mouth. The two mouths must be kissing. They must be kissing. Look at that place I ran thread, and where the material started, two of them must align. Otherwise, your zipper will be showing outside. You can see that everything is in order. Thank you for watching this video. Click on the banner showing on your screen right now to watch the part 1 and part 2 of this trouser sewing series.